Hey, congratulations for choosing to download and use the Show Up sequence. I'm Jim Padilla, and I have something to offer you that is the perfect partner to the Show Up sequence that you requested. So stay tuned to the end of this 4-minute video. Through the power of technology, I have set up for you to receive your Show Up sequence guide in about 12 minutes, right after this quick message and directly to your inbox. The Show Up sequence guide that you requested will help you discover how to ensure more qualified leads actually show up and are excited to get on the phone and talk to you. No more wasting your time with no-shows, right? No more hoping that you're talking to the right people. It's about having the right conversations with the right people at the right time. Imagine having people show up, primed to speak with you, and ready to find out what you've got for them. You're going to discover how some small tweaks and distinctions in your sales funnel that will make you 30% more in your sales, mainly because you're talking to more genuinely interested people and they are primed to want to work with you instead of you having to prove yourself to them. Amen. What if I told you that I could show you how to create a lead generation machine that will keep your calendar full week after week, month after month, just like mine? The number one challenge in your business is bringing in the leads. For many business owners, this is the biggest pain. It's never-ending, daunting task of networking, emails, marketing, and more to try to keep your calendar full. Do you experience that? It can be scary. And if you're always starting from zero, it's challenging. And you know what follows no leads? No business. And if you're not alone, you have every right to be concerned. We have witnessed far too many clients and colleagues suffer the ride on the revenue roller coaster. And it's time to get off. Can we agree that when income is inconsistent, stress is higher? And when stress is higher, business is harder? And then when business is harder, we have less enjoyment and make poor decisions? I want business to be easier for you so that you can have more fun and make better decisions and have less stress and make more money and have a greater impact. That's why you're doing this in the first place, right? It's way too hard to run your business effectively and plan for growth when the leads aren't consistent, when they don't come easy and you don't know where the next ones are coming from. We have been blessed to never experience this problem. Really. We have built our business to 7 figures in 2 short years with 0 ad spend and marketing or any of the marketing mayhem that you see out there. Since then, we have successfully worked with many clients in many different industries using our Leads Made Easy training. They now have their own money-making machine to fuel their mission. They are creating a lifestyle and a business that they love. Isn't it your turn? What I've discovered is that generating a machine that brings in leads consistently and predictably isn't difficult, as long as you know the right steps to take and how to apply the distinctions to your sales strategies. With the Leads Made Easy training, you'll discover how to optimize each step of the lead generation process. It's actually more than that. You'll gain a whole new perspective to generating leads. No more hunting one lead at a time. No way. You will discover a system for generating many leads over and over from smaller sources. And today, I want to offer you a very unique opportunity because we just met and I want to show you my ability to help you. So I'm offering this as a way for us to get to know each other, right? A little better and give you a screaming deal. I'm going to give you a chance to receive my Leads Made Easy training for just $47. Normally $97 on the recorded training, but this training is packed full of gold nuggets that you can apply to your business immediately, same day, right now. There's a special code below that will knock the price down to $47 as my gift for you. I can't keep giving this away at this price forever, but it's there for now and on the table for the next 3 days for you. So click here, check it out, make your payment, and be on your way to a full calendar of prospects week after week, month after month. And as always, we invite you to join us in our Facebook group called See You at 7, right? Where we share more hot sales, scaling, and leverage tips so that you can make that first 7 figures or your next. Thanks for trusting me to be part of your success team go and make some magic happen.